Unwrapping the Mystery, the meaning of joint gift. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the place where learning English is fun and easy. Today, we're going to unpack the meaning of a phrase you might come across during celebrations or special occasions: joint gift. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in a sentence. So, let's get started. When we break down the phrase, joint gift, we look at two words: joint, which means together or combined, and gift, which is something given voluntarily without payment in return, as to show favor towards someone or honor an occasion. Put these words together, and a joint gift is a present shared by two or more people or given collectively by a group. It's like when coworkers chip in to buy a retirement gift for a colleague. Each person contributes, so the gift is from the group, not just one person. Now, let's see joint gifts in action with some examples. Imagine your friends are getting married, and you and a group of friends buy a big-ticket item off their registry. You all put money together for one impressive gift rather than individual, smaller gifts. Or, during holidays, siblings might pool their resources to get their parents a joint gift, perhaps a paid vacation or a new appliance. There are several reasons why people might decide on a joint gift. It allows individuals to give more significant or more expensive gifts than they could afford on their own. It's also a way of ensuring everyone can participate in giving, fostering a sense of community and collective goodwill. Plus, it can be more convenient for events like weddings or milestone birthdays, where a well-thought-out group gift can be more valuable and appreciated. In some cultures, joint gifts are a common practice and seen as a symbol of unity and cooperation. For example, in many workplaces around the world, it is customary for colleagues to give a joint gift to a person celebrating a major life event. Understanding these cultural nuances can be essential when interacting with people from different backgrounds or when you find yourself part of a community or work environment where such practices are common. Let's talk about gift-giving etiquette when it comes to joint gifts. It's important to communicate clearly with everyone involved in the gift-giving. Agree on a budget, what to buy, and how to present the gift. It's also considerate to make sure that everyone's contribution is acknowledged in the gift card or note that accompanies the present. Confidentiality about who contributed what is key to maintaining the spirit of the joint gift. I hope this explanation sheds some light on the concept of joint gifts and how you might participate in one in the future. Remember, it's the thought and collaboration that count. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more English language tips. Until next time, happy learning and happy gifting!